Today, I'm going to show you how to create a fun shout out for someone's birthday on your Instagram story. It's a great way to celebrate your friends and loved ones. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on your story to access the story creation screen. Here you can choose a background for your birthday shout out. You can either take a new photo, upload one from your gallery, or even select a solid color or gradient. To upload from your gallery, tap on the square icon in the bottom left corner. Now, here you can see the text. I've chosen the text, and as you can see the shout out here, I can choose my friend's username like this, and the recent post that I've shared with my friend will be shown up here. You can even choose the background color and more like this. You can tap on the photo to increase it or decrease it. Also, you can pinch the post. You can customize the font, style, color and size using the options at top. You can also add stickers to make it even more festive like this. And once you're happy with how your story looks, tap on your story at the bottom left to share it with all your followers. You can also choose close friends if you want to share it with a select group like this. And that's it. You've just created a fun birthday shout out for your friend on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.